As you can see right here, I withdraw 30 USDT here. The payment is completed here. While this one was failed and I requested again, I withdraw another 30 US dollars right here. And I make this money by just reading books on this particular application that I'm about to teach you, or that I'm about to show you in this video. So all you need to do is to watch this video from beginning to the very end, because in this tutorial I'm going to break down everything step by step for you guys in order to make $30 every single day by just reading books online in this particular application that I'm about to show you right now. All you need to do is to click the first link in the description of this video. So after you click this particular link, it will take you to this website. You can just go ahead and download this particular application. So the name of this application is called Novella. As you can see right here at the top of this particular interface, the name of this particular website is Novella. After you just click this link, it will take you to this interface and you will get a free 30,000 coins of bonus if you register with my link. So after you click the link, it will take you to this interface and you can go ahead and download this application and collect this coin. So I already have this particular application in my phone, so I'm going to go ahead and log in and show you everything that you need to know about this website and make money. As you can see right here, this is my Play Store. This is the application of Novella, read fiction and novel. So in this application you can make money by just reading books, watching ads, playing games and other stuff like that. As you can see right here, my balance points right here, you can see I have 2 million points. I have 2,421 coins, which is approximately $3.02. So I will draw $60 and I start accumulating another $30. So we have three particular ways that you can withdraw what you have accumulated in this application. So one, you can top up your phone by just paying your bill. You can start from $4, $10 and $30, and then if you want you can withdraw through crypto. This is the one that I am using particularly. So $30 is about 24 million coins in this application, and if you have PayPal you can withdraw your money through PayPal from $5, $10 to $30. So what are you going to do to make money? So as you can see, let me show you something right here. So those are the four things, those are the four icons that will make you more points. You can accumulate more points through those particular four icons right here. You can see right here, this is reward, and this is another one right here, cash thing, and this is star bonus, and this one is fun flip. So all those things will make you more points. You can accumulate more points and withdraw that particular point into real money. And those are the types of books that you can read and earn points again. So as you can see right here, those are the types of books that you can read. All those things that you are watching are books that you can read to earn points in this particular application. Those are the types of books. All those things that you are watching right here are books that you can watch and earn points, which you can convert that particular point into real money to withdraw it directly to your bank account. And those are the types of ads that you can watch in order to get another point. As you can see right here, those are the types of ads. Those are the types of ads, and this, you see this one, another one at the top of this app. And if you want to withdraw what you accumulate, you can come over right here to me section at the bottom of this particular application. So you can go ahead and click on it, then scroll it up. You can see redeem right here, so you can just go ahead and click on this redeem button right here. So after you click on this redeem section, you will see the points that you accumulate here, and you will see the conversion of how much you make through dollar right here. So those are the ways that you can withdraw what you accumulate, and those are the types of games that you can play and earn points. And then you can invite your family and friends. As you can see right here, I have invite more than 100 friends in this application, so that is why I withdraw $30 twice in a short period of time. And then you can earn another point by just watching videos right here. As you can see right here, earn 5,250 points by watching videos. So you can see those are the types of video ads that you can watch to earn another point. And as you can see right here, try apps and games, those are the two types of website that will give you free games again to play and earn points again. So there are several ways that you can earn points in this particular application in order to make money. So those are the types of that particular things that I'm always trying to tell you in this video. As you can see right here, this game will give you 2,500 points, while this one will give you 5 million coins. This one right here. So if you play this one like twice in a day, approximately you make at least 20 million coins. So you can just add 4 million coins in order to withdraw $30. So simple and easy. So all those things are the types of games that you can play in order to make points and convert that particular coins into real money. So if you are getting value from this video that I'm showing you in this video, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and the most important thing, turn on the bell notification, so in order to get more amazing content like this. So those are the things that I want to show you in this video, and it helped me to make that $60 twice in this application. So all those books will make you money. You can go ahead and click on it. You can just click on this, start reading. You can just read some chapters and earn some points, which you can convert it to US dollars right here. So that is for today, guys. If you are getting value from this video, like it, share to your family and friends, subscribe to this channel, and the most important thing, turn on the bell notification, so in order to get notified every time I upload any video. And if you have a question, you can ask me in the comment section down below. So thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Peace.